artists. Come along with me, let's draw the faces of Mario and Princess Peach. Mario is the brave, heroic plumber, and Peach is the kind, royal princess of the Mushroom Kingdom. Are you ready to bring these two to life? Let's begin! Can you guess which character we're drawing first? Mario or Peach? Yes! It's Mario! Good job! What color is Mario's hat? It's red? That's right! And what letter is on it? Letter M? What do you think Mario's favorite food is? Spaghetti? Or pizza? Yum! Good guess! He loves Italian food. And what about Princess Peach? What color is her dress? Is it pink? Yes! She looks so royal in her beautiful pink dress. Do you think Peach is a kind and brave princess? Me too! She always helps Mario on his adventures. If you could visit the Mushroom Kingdom, what would you do? That sounds like so much fun! Maybe we could jump on mushrooms. Which one is your favorite? Mario or Peach? Great choice! They're both amazing! We did it! Mario and Princess Peach's faces are all drawn. You are an amazing artist. It's time to bring them to life with color. Grab your red, blue, pink, and yellow and start coloring. Mario was originally called Jumpman in his first game, Donkey Kong. Mario's iconic red hat was created because animating hair was tricky in old video games. Mario's mustache has 6 thick curves. It's one of his most famous features. Did you know Mario has a twin brother? It's Luigi. Mario is super strong. He can break bricks with his fist. If you had fun today, give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so we can draw together again. Princess Peach's first appearance was in Super Mario Bros. 1985. Peach's full name is Princess Peach Toadstool. Toadstool was her original name. Princess Peach is not just a damsel. She has her own game, Super Princess Peach. Peach's dress is pink and sparkly, and she always wears her golden crown. Peach has a special attack called Peach Bomber in Super Smash Bros. What part did you like drawing the most? Mario's mustache or Peach's crown? Great answer! That was fun! Wow! Our Mario and Peach drawing looks fantastic! You did such a great job! Give yourself a big round of applause! See you next time for another fun drawing adventure. Bye, Pinky friends!